Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Lian Yuan, your professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is Chinese restaurant. We're going to learn new characters and new words related to it. It will be very useful, especially if you're living in China or going to travel there. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go to our website. If you have any suggestion of our course, comment below. I really want to hear from you. And let's start our course today. First of all, 3 new characters. 中餐馆 Zhong here, which is a short form of 中国, China, or Chinese. 中餐, which means dishes, 馆, restaurant, 餐馆, restaurant. 中餐馆, 中餐馆. 中餐 flatten, 馆 thirteen, 中餐馆. 中餐馆. And then first we have hot pot, which is very popular in Sichuan, Chongqing, those province. Anyway, it's very popular in the whole country. And then 火, which means fire, 锅, which means pot. 火锅, 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 火 13, 锅 flatten, 火锅, 火锅. And then cold dish, we often serve it before the hot dishes like this one or hot pot. 凉菜, 凉 which means cool, cold. 凉菜, 凉菜, 凉菜. 凉 second tone, 菜 first tone. Then roast duck, 烤鸭, 烤鸭, 烤 third tone, 鸭 flat tone, 烤鸭, 烤鸭. Then sour and spicy soup, 酸辣汤, 酸辣汤. I haven't eaten it before. I think it's maybe people eat it. 酸辣汤, 酸辣汤. 酸 sour, very useful expression. You should remember this too. Sour 酸, 辣 spicy, and soup 汤, 酸辣汤. Sweet and sour pork, 糖醋里脊, 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 糖醋里脊. Then shredded pork with garlic sauce, 鱼香肉丝, 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 鱼香肉丝. Then hot dish, 热菜 compare with 凉菜 cold dish, hot dish, 热菜. 热菜. 铁板牛柳 here second tone because there's 2 third tone. 铁板牛柳, 铁板牛柳, 铁板牛柳. Then 麻婆豆腐, 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 麻婆豆腐. And then chopstick, 筷子, 筷 first tone, 筷子, 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 筷子. Then condiments, 小料, 小 third tone, 料 first tone. 小料, 小 which means tiny, and 料 which means ingredients. 小料 dish, 碟子, 碟 second tone, 碟子, 碟子, 碟子. And then chef, 大厨, 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 大厨. Then kitchen worker, 杂工, 杂工, 杂工. Waiter, 服务员服务员服务员服务员 cup 酒杯酒杯酒杯酒 here liquor we have learned before 酒杯 bowl 碗碗碗 13 spoon 调羹调羹调羹 and then vinegar bottle 醋壶醋壶醋壶醋 first tone 壶 second tone 醋壶 soy sauce bottle 酱油壶酱油壶酱油壶酱油壶酱油壶 chili oil. This one is very important in Chinese dishes. 辣椒油辣椒油辣椒油辣 first tone 椒 flat tone 油 second tone 辣椒油 menu 菜单菜单菜单菜 first tone 单 flat tone 菜单 So this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new expression about Chinese restaurant. I hope you can do some review and don't forget to check the homework today. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. And if you haven't already subscribed, just click the subscription and the little bit icon so that you can get notification for the next video. And see you in the next video. Bye!